Here is the high-voltage LFP Stackable battery box.
Unpack the box and check the accessories. Remove the battery box from the package. The following spaces around the system must remain empty. Place the base on the ground. Use a screwdriver to adjust the height of the bottom support leg. Use a level to confirm whether the base has been leveled at all four corners.
The distance between the base and the wall should be 1.77 inches, 45 millimeters.
Use lifting handles to move the battery box safely. Safety tip: make sure the lifting handles are properly connected, with steel washers tight against the box.
Place the first battery module onto the base.
Install the rubber stopper on both sides. Attach the connection pieces between each box for stability.
Repeat this process to install all battery modules. Determine the installation positions of the wall mount plate and sheet metal brackets. Drill a 0.39 inches 10 millimeters hole at the center of the slot in the backplate.
Insert the plastic expansion tube. Secure the self-tapping screw with a screwdriver.
Install the mounting bracket for BMS controller. Drill a 0.39 inches 10 millimeters holes on both sides of the battery,
stacking them one by one.
Fix the sheet metal brackets on both sides. Put the backplate of the BMS controller into the mounting bracket. Fix the sheet metal brackets on both sides. Open the cable cover, which is located at the right of BMS controller. Remove the gasket. Thread the bat, pay and COM cable through the routing hole.
Use wire stripper to strip the positive wire insulation layer to a suitable length. Insert the positive wire into the positive terminal. Insert the positive terminal into the positive battery connector and lock the nut. Strip the negative wire insulation layer to a suitable length. Insert negative wire into the negative terminal. Insert the negative terminal into the negative battery connector and lock the nut.
Insert the wire into the terminal.
Use network pliers and follow the inverter user manual to make RJ45 terminal. Use network pliers to crimp the RJ45 connector. Check whether the cable color sequence is correct. Secure the PE cable tightly to ensure a safe grounding connection.
Follow port mark to plug battery connectors in order and the other end to the inverter. Ensure all battery connections are secure and properly locked. Insert communication cable into COM1 port and the other end to the inverter. Close the cable cover, which is located at the right of BMS controller. Before powering on, check that all wiring is done correctly. Open the battery breaker cover. Turn the battery breaker to the on position.